Welcome to day 19 of the How to Attract Anything challenge. Today I want to speak to you about growing your heart. You see, kindness and compassion are two qualities that are really needed in the world right now. Who is it that you are willing to help? If you don't have anyone you're helping, if you don't have anyone you're giving to, you are then becoming a standing water. What is standing water? Standing water attracts insects. Standing water attracts that layer on top, the green layer that gets formed, algae or whatever. Standing water attracts diseases because there is no outflow. A running river is beautiful. Why? Because it's fresh water, you can actually drink it, it's pure. So there's incoming and it's outgoing. And that's a very important law of life, that anything that you want to attract as an incoming, then you must also have an outgoing. If you want to become a hoarder of any sorts, let me tell you, your ability to attract will immediately go down. So growing your heart is a huge part of becoming a law of attraction expert. So I want you to see who are the people you can help. Your staff, your children, your community, your society. Where are you giving without any expectation in return? If you haven't created any sort of charity, if you haven't been doing any sort of working for others for free, then I want to truly encourage you today to grow the size of your heart. Too many of us have this very scarcity mindset. What is that mindset? If I give it away, I may not get it again. So we tend to create clutter in our house by hoarding. We tend to create clutter in our thoughts. We're not able to let go of things. It's very, very important in our life that we have the abundance mindset. And that mindset is actually about just knowing that there is someone up there in the universe who's going to look after me. That I'm not an orphan, I'm not someone who needs to only worry about myself. If I just worry about his people, he will look after us. So I'd love for you to adopt that mindset, and I'd love for you to today comment below, how are you going to create an outflow in your life? If you haven't given away money, love, acts of kindness, any sort of charity, if you are not doing those, let me tell you, attracting anything into your life will be very, very hard. God is actually noticing who are His people. Who are His people are the ones who serve Him by serving other people in this world. And when you become one of His people, you become very special to Him. Then automatically He will do things for you and you will just think you're very, very lucky. You're not very, very lucky. You are a child of God then, because you're doing His work. So in some way or the other today, please come up with different ways. I know some of you are just brilliant at doing it. I personally know people that I really honor and believe truly that they are children of God. I would choose for you to be the same. If you haven't started to grow your heart, today leave all the pettinesses aside. Forgive those people who are not belonging to that category. 90% of the world was not supposed to be that way. If they can just look after their own self, good for them. But there is this 10% category that was meant for extraordinary. It was meant for greatness. You can be one of them by just making sure that there's always an outflow. So grow your heart and become your most kindest self. I work on this on a daily basis. Every day my one prayer to God is, oh God, let me be the kindest person in the room. Let me be taken a little bit for granted. Let people really feel that, oh my God, the way Pooja can give, no one can give. I want to be that sort of person, and I want each person to become that person, because when we start to look after everyone else, we forget ourselves, and there are other people then who start to all the time look after us. And that love is so much better than the selfish love that we try to have for ourselves. You don't want to be in the selfish love, be in the selfless love. You give so much, don't expect from the people you're giving ever. They will not give you, they are the takers of the world. Always remember, when you're giving to the takers, just give, and remember there is someone ahead of you in your giving and they will give to you. So it's not going to be like this, it's going to be you give here and it's going to come back to you, and you give here, and that's how that law of karma will work. So super, today you're going to comment below at least 3 things that you will do to grow your heart. three things that you can do, whether that is a meditation to actually seriously just visualize your heart growing, whether it's going to be about sending forgiveness to this one person who doesn't deserve it, or whether it's going to be real charity or some sort of your time in volunteering. Whatever it is, do write that down. If you truly want to become an abundant attractor, make sure you have the abundance mindset.